So there are a few things I want to say before you take the safety quiz. I wanted to point out that the gas shutoff valve is in front of the room behind the teacher's area. So this is my desk or lab bench, and the gas shutoff is right back there. You can see the little yellow strip that has the words on it. If you open that little door, then we can see that there's a little lever in there. When the lever is perpendicular to the gas pipe, the gas is off. If we change it and move it so that the lever is going parallel or going the same direction as the gas pipe, the gas is on. If someone's clothes ever catch on fire, and dear God, please let that never happen, the first thing you want to do is encourage them to stop, drop, and roll, just like you would in kindergarten. If for some reason you can't get them to do that, then what you can do is you can take the fire blanket and you can pat them gently with it. Do not wrap them in the safety blanket because it's wool and you could trap the heat in there. But again, first thing we want to try is stop, drop, and roll. If instead there's a fire on the lab bench, you can either use the fire extinguisher or you can, if it's a small fire, you can smother it with the fire blanket. So again, with a person, stop, drop, and roll. But if there's a small fire on the lab bench, either a fire extinguisher or the fire blanket. So my next 2 points really have to do with preventing lab problems rather than addressing a problem that is already there. The first one is, please do not keep a bunch of stuff on your lab bench. When you are doing a lab, you should only have the lab equipment and chemicals you're working with, your lab notebook, your pencil, your calculator, and if someone's taking pictures, one person can have an iPad nearby. You don't want other books, you don't want textbooks, you don't want other pieces of paper. Keep it simple. Just lab notebook, pencil, calculator, and one person in the group can have an iPad. And finally, no food or water bottles at the lab benches. If you want to have a water bottle with you and you're taking notes or something, then work at one of the tables on the middle. I don't want any water bottles or food at the lab benches ever. Thanks.